In my initial consultation with this customer, the first thing that he said was that he could barely sit in his office in the winter. It was too cold. So one of our solutions for him was a new high energy efficiency window that we're installing now. So for a replacement window, we're gonna need a couple key items. One is an air and vapor barrier, Tyvek, and butyl flashing tape for waterproofing. And of course we need a laser level because when we put these windows in, we wanna make sure they're totally square and totally plumb in the wall. We're gonna take this sash out. The next thing we're gonna do is put Tyvek, or our air and vapor barrier, all inside the jamb and across our sill. And then we're gonna take that Blueskin butyl flashing tape for waterproofing, and we're gonna run that up the jamb a bit, run it across the sill and up. The next thing we're gonna do is insert our new replacement window. We're gonna wanna spray foam all the way around there, and then we're gonna put a new stop molding in, caulk everything, and then we're done.